In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task template in Wrike using Google Chrome, boosting your productivity and streamlining your workflow. Let's dive right in and simplify this process step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and head over to Wrike's website. Logging in provides access to all your projects and tasks from a centralized dashboard where you can easily navigate through different features. Once you're on the main page, we'll focus on the templates section. This area becomes your new best friend when it comes to organizing repetitive tasks and projects. After opening Wrike, look towards the left side of the interface. You'll see a menu with options guiding you through various functionalities. Today, we're zeroing in on the templates section, which is vital for generating task templates that can be reused. Click on it to open a new window or tab displaying all available templates in Wrike. If it's your first time here, feel free to browse and explore some of the pre-existing templates to get a better idea of how these tools can benefit your planning. Now that we're in the templates section, we want to create our own custom task template. To do this, locate the option that says Create Task Template. This is where the magic happens. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to set up a template tailored to your needs. Next, we'll define the task details. This part is all about making sure the template captures everything necessary for the type of work you're managing. Enter a descriptive task name and outline any key steps or objectives within the task description. These details act as a blueprint for whoever is using the template, so clarity is key. Moving on, let's talk about custom fields. Wrike allows you to include specifics such as deadlines, priority levels, or any other parameters critical to your task management. Customizing these fields ensures that the template remains flexible and adaptable for various scenarios. Another important aspect is assigning roles or responsibilities. Identify who will typically undertake these tasks by adding potential assignees to the template. This pre-assignment feature is useful for teams, allowing everyone to know their roles and reducing the time spent delegating tasks manually each time. Now that everything is set up, it's time to save your work. Saving the template for reuse is simple but crucial for long-term efficiency. Locate the Save Template button and click it. Your task template is now ready to be utilized whenever needed, helping to systematize your workflow and maximize effectiveness. And there you have it. With this easy method, you can create and save a task template in Wrike using Chrome. This process not only saves time but also avoids the repetition of setting up tasks from scratch repeatedly. Thank you for following along, and be sure to explore other functionalities Wrike offers which could further enhance your task management capabilities.